Okay, these are the items that were from Valentine's Day and I took down and I'll be putting away. These are just the kitchen items. None of it will be used for Easter, so I got to put it away. I think this Ray Dunn plate I'm going to put down here with my Ray Dunn stuff, so that's not going to go in any bin. But other than that, everything will go into a bin. I'm hoping to make another one of these for my 3-tiered tray. I think I still have one of these left. And then everything else will have to go. These are some of the items that I took down or took out. One of my hip and my hop. I think they're reversible, yeah. Hip hop. These were from last year. They're Ray Dunn. This one says hip and hop in the pink. And this one has the blue. I'll share this in a haul. This one, you guys saw, it's that reversible, so I'll be using this one because it says Happy Easter. And then this little egg holder from Target last year. I had these and I brought them out. I think I need to make more of them. This one says Spring, this one says Nest, and this one is just a wood sign that I can, it's just a every year or all around year that I made sign. This tobacco basket, I think I'll put it back in my 3-tiered tray. And then I have this stand, which I'll be using for Valentine's Day, I believe, for like a Ray Dunn piece that I have. So everything else will go in bins. Okay, here is my coffee bar, pretty plain with no decor. I'm probably going to get rid of this stuff and maybe that. That'll be gone. But as far as everything else, this is what it looks like with no decor. It just has this area with my mugs and then more mugs up here. And then my cake cups. I need to figure out this situation. But I wanted to share that with you guys before I decorate or show you guys how I'll be decorating my Easter coffee bar and everything else. Okay, this is it pretty bare, and I still need to add my Easter items, but that will be a separate video. But I wanted to share how it looks with no decor. Obviously, it would be a little bit different with my regular decor, but this is taking out all my Valentine's Day stuff and preparing for my Easter items. So this is how bare it looks, and I still need to find something to add right here and right here. This is going to be moving, as well as, you know, filling up my 3-tiered tray. I feel like I need something in this area, like a sign or something in the background, like in the back. And then down here I could have some decor, like some Easter stuff, but at least it gives me a blank canvas of where to start or what items I can pick up and what I might need. I do have some items right here, like I showed you guys, that I can add, and I'll just be putting that on the actual table and the 3-tiered tray until I actually decorate. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for a video where I decorate this area with you guys.